Why, hello, it's Jayton, Head of Research and Product Development here at UMZU, back again today talking about how to use ACV and prebiotics. Let's get into this one. So, ACV plus prebiotics is a prebiotic supplement designed to help enhance the health of the microbiome in the gut by feeding the good bacteria in the intestine. This product is a novel adjunct with floracil 50 and can have very good effects when taken together with floracil. So this product can be taken anytime throughout the day, but for some reason, very sensitive individuals, it can cause slight stomach upset when taken without food. So taking it with food is going to produce the best effects. I highly recommend if you're taking a probiotic, to make sure and take it with that probiotic, because it's going to help make that probiotic even more effective. So if you decide to take this product, that's probably going to be the best time to take it. This product can be taken every day without any resilience or building up from taking it. So there's really not a problem there, and there's no toxicity effects from any of the ingredients in it. It's literally just prebiotics and ACV. So obviously don't take more than the recommended dose, but taking it every day is going to be perfectly fine. We also have a full 60-day money-back guarantee. So 60 days from the time that you order the product, you can get your money back if you decide you don't like it, or that it doesn't work for you or something like that. You can get your money back with no questions asked, and our customer service team is absolutely fantastic. So give them a call, and even if you don't want to return your product, give them a call and tell them they're doing a good job anyways. But yeah, so if you like this video, please make sure to subscribe. Please make sure to like the video. I'm going to be coming out with tons of more content on how to use certain products. I'm going to be breaking down certain ingredients, all the positive things about things like ashwagandha, forskolin, magnesium, all of the good molecules that are within a lot of these ingredients that are actually making it do what it does, and have been studied very thoroughly. So stay tuned for that and subscribe if you want to see some of that. I'll talk to you next time.